Hello again, everyone. Aloha from Hawaii. It's Paul Thompson here again. I'm getting ready to conduct lab number 4, buoyancy force and Archimedes principle. So I have the lab set up here. Basically, we're going to be testing the buoyancy force required to float a clay boat. So my clay boat I've already fashioned here. I tested it to make sure it floats in my beaker. I also compared it to the other half of the clay, which is approximately it's about 29 grams of clay for both of them. And the clay on its own, when I place it into the beaker of water, displaces around 15 milliliters of water. And my boat, when I put it in the water, displaces about double that. So a little more than double that. So evidently it floats just fine by displacing that much. So with this lab, I'm going to be floating my boat in plain water, adding the washers one by one until it sinks, and I'll record the amount of washers it took for it to sink, and then I'll repeat that after adding 5 teaspoons of salt to the beaker to make it a saltwater solution, and see how the density changes the buoyancy force. So that's the lab in general. I've already kind of started by fashioning the boat and getting everything weighed out. So next it'll just be doing the washer test in the plain water solution, which is what I currently have set up, and then repeating that once I mix in the salt water. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started, getting recording. But you guys have a great day. Take care.